Guys, Franklin Tiosai Healer is my name. So I'm about to teach you guys on how I was able to achieve this particular design with my smartphone using Canva application. All right, I made this using Canva. So this is not a PSD file, not at all. It was not made on Photopia or Photoshop or CorelDRAW or whatever software you may think this was made with. This was made with my phone, which I'm about to show you guys. So this is the original picture which I got from Shutterstock. If you're my student of the smartphone graphic design blueprint, you know how to download your images from Shutterstock. But if you're not part of us and you want to be part of us, I will leave a link in the description below where you'll be able to send me a message so that you can be part of the community. So the name of this picture, in case you want to look for it on your own, the name of the picture is African lady holding a big phone. You can search for African guy holding a big phone. They're going to bring a lot of options for you, but I just prefer this one, then I picked it. So you can see in this particular design, there's a design inside. Right, this design was made by me as well, which is this. So this is what we're going to be placing inside our design. So guys, before we get started, there's something I want you to prepare yourself with. So I want you to go to the particular design you want to use. So let's say I want to make use of this particular design as well. So I'm just going to take a screenshot. So don't just take a screenshot like this without your battery and your data connection showing. Make sure you tap your phone screen and allow those things at the top to show, then take a screenshot. So you can see mine was taken with the dark mode. All right, so I'm also going to turn on my phone dark mode and take a screenshot. You can see those details at the top. So I'm just going to head over to the particular design, then permit me to turn on my dark mode. Okay, we're good to go. So I'm just going to take a screenshot now. So screenshot taking. So normally I don't normally use the dark mode, so I'm just going to go back to light mode. All right, now we've done this. So like I said, I'm going to make this particular lady available in the description below. By the lady, I mean PNG format that you can just use without stressing yourself for practice. Then maybe after that, you can now go to Shutterstock and download the picture. But if you're not a student in my community and you don't know how to download from Shutterstock without the watermark, you can check maybe FreePic or Google. You may see something related to what you want. So now let's head over to this particular lady. I want to remove the background. You can see from this one, the background was removed. So I'm going to remove the background. So to remove the background, I make use of remove.bg. There are other websites you can use in removing background, but for me, I prefer using remove.bg. You can also use Canva to remove background. That's only if you are having the Canva Pro. But not to worry yourself. This particular video, those with the Pro version can work with it. Those with the free version can also work with it. You don't have to stress yourself or bother yourself about it. So I'm going to click on upload image. I'm going to select the particular image I want to remove the background, which is that lady. So I'm just going to access my phone images, new designs. Then this is the particular picture I want. So I'm just going to allow remove.bg do its task. So there are other applications as well on Google Play Store that you can use to removing background. So I'm not trying to say remove.bg is the one you should always use. You can use the one you feel comfortable with. So after removing the background, you can see no more background again. The black picture you were seeing on the phone is no longer there. So you just click on download. I've done it before, so I'm just download again. So it has been downloaded into my phone. So I'm going to head over to Canva. So after heading over to Canva, I'm going to just select the Instagram post size because that's what I want to use in achieving this particular design. Remember, if you want to be part of my community, my students, please make sure you use the link below. And also I'm going to provide the promotional material. I'm going to provide the design resources we used. It's nothing much, it's just a particular lady. I'm doing that because of those that won't be able to get the particular lady online. So I'm going to click on Instagram post size 1080 by 1080. So next thing I want to do, I'll bring in the lady I just removed the background. I'll bring in the lady into my design. You know, wherever you are designing is called your Canva. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon. Then I'm going to select gallery. So this is the particular image I removed the background. This first one. So I'm just going to click on it and add to page. So I'll allow it load, then successfully to be sent to my Canva. So I'm just going to crop a little bit. All right, crop it a little bit. Then I'll increase it to the size I want it to be. So I want it to be this way. Good. So I will definitely change the background so that we can see what we are doing very well. Let me make use of a dark green background. All right. Now, so next thing I want to bring in our screenshot. So click on this plus icon. Bring in our screenshot. I already have the screenshot on my phone. So I'm just going to click on it. This is it. So add to page is going to be sent here. So this is it. So I'm going to rotate so it's going to fit in line with the phone. You know the phone is slant. So I'll just reduce a little bit, then position it here. So you can see the phone is coming outside. So I'm going to just zoom in. It's very advisable you zoom in whenever you're trying to do something like this, so you're going to have total control of everything. So I'm going to also rotate so that it's going to fit in very well. I think I'll increase the size a bit. Increase a bit again. Okay, good. I know some people will be like, okay, I'm not going to send it to the back. If I should send it to the back, this is what we're going to be having. Backward. You can see some edges there, which we don't want. Those particular edges there, I don't want them. They don't look professional to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it down a bit. Go back. Bring it down a bit to a point whereby it won't be showing at the edges. So our advice, always zoom so that you're going to know what you're doing. Then I'm also going to rotate a bit, so it's going to just fit very well into the phone. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Let me move a little bit. I'll just go to nudge. Okay, this is okay. I think this is okay. Yes, this is okay. So next thing I want to do, I want to bring in a shape. I'll send it to the back. After positioning it the way I want it to be, I'll click on it, then go to position, and I will send backward. So you can see, I'm no longer seeing it at the edges again. No longer at the edges again. So next thing I want to do, I want us to click on this plus icon. Then go to element, search for shapes. Shapes. So we're going to be using a square that has all its 4 corners curved, which is this one. So I'm going to just click on this, then bring it to my design. Then I will rotate it to also fit in very well. Alright, this one is just the exact size I need. So I'm just going to do a little bit of adjustment. Bring it down. Okay. Alright, then I'll change the color to black. Since my screenshot was made with a black, with a dark mode rather. So I'm just going to copy this because I'm also going to need it at the bottom. So save me from all the stress of going to resize again. So just copy this, take it to one particular part, to one end. Then click on this particular one again at the top. Then you send it to the back. Position, send backward again. So you can now take a look at it. You can see. Then this particular one again, bring it forward. Bring it down again to where you want it to be. Like I said, always zoom so you're going to have a feel of whatever you're doing. So you can always use this button to at least make it work accurate. You don't have to use your hands all the time. So okay, I think I'm good to go. Then the same thing I'll send to the back again. I'll send it to the back, and here we go. We have our design up and ready for us. So you can see my design is now inside the big phone being held by this lady. So guys, like I said, I'm going to make this particular lady available for you with this format, already removed background and everything. You just have to work on your positioning of the image inside your phone. So you can add your text and everything you want to add to it, but this video just to show you how I achieved it. I'm not showing you guys how I did all the write-ups and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, I would really like if you should drop a like so that wide